The question says the IUPAC name of this complex is given here. Let me write this complex. First we have cobalt as a central element. Then we have neutral ligand, whole thrice. And then we have negative ligand. This is nitro. Okay, this is an ambidentate ligand. This is the complex. This is a neutral complex we have. Okay, neutral complex. So for the naming of the complex, we follow the order. What is the order? First of all, we have a number of ligands. Then we have type of ligand. Then we have central metal atom. And then we have the oxidation number of the central metal atom. This is the order we follow. Okay. If more than one type of ligands are given there, then we write them in alphabetical orders. Okay. So you can see more than one type of ligand. This is one ligand. This is another type ligands. So in this case, we name it, this is ammonia. So in this case, we name it as a amine. Okay, starting from alphabet A. Okay, in this case, it will be, this is ambidentate ligand because nitrogen is also donor side and oxygen is also donor side. So in the naming specifically, we mention this is what nitro and it is N. N is the donor side. Okay, means they are having more than one donor side, but at a time they donate only one electron density from one particular atom. Okay, so nitro N is there. It means nitrogen is forming bond with the central metal atom. Okay, interesting part. Now if you compare, you can see the first we have A and then later we are getting N. So first of all, I will be naming this amine as a neutral ligand. Okay, by alphabetical orders. So first of all, number of ligands, how many ammonia molecules are there? 3. This is a neutral ligand, so I can say it is tri. Okay, we have tri. Better we can start with capital letter. We have tri. Tri is there. Okay, tri. And this is amine. Tri-amine is there. Good. Then after that we have tri. Nitro is there. Tri-nitro is there. Tri-nitro. Okay, and nitrogen is donating electron density to the central metal atom. Nitro N is written. Then after that we have to write a central metal atom. Central metal atom is the cobalt. So we have to write a cobalt. This is cobalt. Okay. And then we have oxidation number. So oxidation number we can calculate. It is a neutral complex. We can write is equal to 0. Total oxidation number of all the ligands as well as central metal atom will be equal to 0. Cobalt, for which we have to calculate oxidation number plus neutral ligand always carry 0 charge multiplied by 0. And then nitro NO2 is there. Okay, so in this case it carries -1 charge. It is a negative ligand, so 3 multiplied by -1 is there. Simplify. Cobalt -3 is equal to 0. Then cobalt is present in +3 oxidation numbers. So since we have to write oxidation number in Roman number, so I write 3 is there. So name of the complex is triamine trinitro N cobalt 3. Okay, so we can see which option is correct. Triamine trinitro and cobalt 3. You can see first option is correct.